Cheekyricho's Thermomix Bacon and Corn Chowder.
Okay, we just add 30 grams of butter
2 large potatoes.
and 1 large onion that's been diced.
125 grams of bacon and 200 grams of corn kernels. That's 3 minutes of aroma. Reverse speeds function, speed 2. Okay, let's just mix that all around. And now we're going to add our teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of our veggie stock powder, 750 grams of our water. Now, back on with our lid. Pop the basket on so it doesn't boil over, and we're going to cook that on aroma again. Reverse function, speed 1 for 20 minutes. Pop the basket on so that it doesn't boil over. Okay, 20 minutes later, this is what you should have. We'll just adjust it for seasoning, add our cream and our grated cheese. I'm using parmesan cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like. We're just going to test it for seasoning and make sure our potatoes are lovely and soft. Yummy pieces of bacon floating in there. Right, that's a lovely flavour. We're just going to add our cream and our cheese now for added richness. And just turn that onto the forward speed. Basket back up on top, just on speed 2 until it mixes all around for about 10 seconds. Okay, there you have it. Cheekyricho Cookings Bacon and Corn Chowder made in the Thermomix. If you want it a little bit thicker, just blitz it a little bit and that'll smash up the potatoes and that'll be a perfect thickener for it. So just speed 3 again for another 10 seconds. Okay, now look what we have here. We've still got plenty of chunks in there, all the herbs and the vegetable stock, pieces of bacon and onion, identifiable food, which is thick and rich and hearty. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. And that made 6 good bowls of soup. Okay, now we've just got a little sprig of parsley as a garnish, a couple of spring onions on our piping hot soup, some fresh butter. And there you have it. Cheekyricho's Thermomix Bacon and Corn Chowder, baguette and focaccia. Thanks for watching.